Do you like pasta? Do you like pasta in the wintertime? Stick around. I'll show you how to make one of my top 5 favorite pasta recipes from a very famous chef friend of mine, Justin Smillie, who created this beauty at his restaurant Upland. I craved it. He told me how to make it a long time ago. I'll show you how. You're going to want to try this one. So the secret to this pasta is really developing that nice crust on your chicken livers. Trust me, do that. The shallots, the herbs, the sherry are all just gonna bring everything alive. You wanna keep those chicken livers creamy. You don't wanna overcook this. Upland closed a while ago, one of my favorite restaurants in New York. Justin is not in my house, but boy, it feels like neither of those things are true. This pasta is absolutely crack, and you will love it. I love it. It's the kind of dish that I need to be alone with for a while.